Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install CompactGUI. It compresses, installs apps and games to save disk space without any quality loss. So how you can simply download it, you have to open in your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option or simply search for CompactGUI and click enter. And then you're going to get the first website, majorgeeks.com. Click on this website. And here you're going to get the download now option. So if you click on the download now, and here if you're interested in to give their email address, you can simply do that. Close it, and you're going to get the download option over here. After complete the downloads, you can simply click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click on more info, run anyway, and click on download it now. Minimize all the background tab, click on download, click on this folder icon, install it, yes for the permission, and after complete installation you can simply close it now. And now you can simply go for CompactGUI, and here it is. It's rightly opened in your computer device in a very simple way. So how you can simply use it, I will going to make another dedicated video. If you comment below you want to know about how you can simply use it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.